Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dara Craft Creation. Today I share a tutorial video on handmade purse explosion box, which is a very beautiful and easy to make. I will show you a step-by-step process of this explosion box. And one more thing I want to share, that I made this whole explosion box from the scratch pattern papers. If you don't have a pattern paper, then you can use a plain papers for the decorations. If you are new and yet not subscribe our channel, then go and subscribe our channel, like, comment and share. So I take a 30 by 30 centimeter and divide into 3 parts. Fold each and every lines like this. And today I will give you one bonus tip at the end of this video regarding a small scrapbook binding. So don't forget to check that tip. Now I mark a center of the second box and make a triangle. I just mark at the center like this and make a triangle. Like this, and same things at opposite side. Mark in the center and make one triangle. Like this. Now fold this triangle like this. Now fold all the four sides like this. We have to fold this whole crease at inner side like this, so it will easily close our box. Like this, you can see. I already made one heart, and I use this for draw hearts at all four sides like this. Why I am doing this? Just because all four hearts look same in the size. Okay, now I cut that hearts. Like it look like this. again I fold and now stick all the pattern papers. And if you don't have a pattern papers, then you can use a multicolor plain paper also. Like this. Okay. Now I take this 10 by 10.5 centimeter total and mark it 6, 2 and 2.5 and fold it like this. And stick this part at the back side. Like this. For the handle, I take a 10 by 1.5 centimeter and take the 1 centimeter by 10 centimeter now stick it on the upper part like this. Now I take a magnet. Here I show you one magnet, but please use a 2 magnet. Like I want to say that use a 4 magnet total. So at both sides one magnet, so it will easily stick, right? Here I take 1 magnet, but don't take a 1 magnet, take a 2 magnet like this. I say take a 2 magnet like this. Okay, if you don't have a magnet, then you can use a velcro also. I take one zigzag paper and just tie a thread on it, and so it can hold 7 photos. I stick that part at here. Now take a pattern paper and stick it center like this. Now I take one sheeted sheet, like a small part of acetate sheet, and with the help of tacky tape I stick that part at this side. That's it look like a pocket, transparent pocket. Okay, and at the back side I stick a pattern paper, and now it's time for making upper part. I take one dolly which I have. If you don't have this one, you can go with any dolly, or you can take a round shape and stick that also. Stick all the element sheets like that. These I used a Nature Collection element sheets from Swati Craft Corner. Oops. So our upper part is ready. Now I just stick one butterfly corner. Now I just stick the pattern papers at the blank space like this. Okay. Now it's time for a bonus tip which I told you. I just take some cardstock and make 3 holes, and now I take one thread and just knot at the end and take one pearl. Now you can see this thing. If you don't have a ring, scrapbook ring, then you can go with this binding. It will help you. There is no necessary of this scrapbook ring. You can bind your scrapbook like this also. It is a very helpful and looks so nice. Whenever you are binding like this, make sure that it will bind loose, so it will as well easily open like this. Okay, see, it looks so cool, right? So I put the scrapbook at the center side like this, and I Dun-dun-dun, it's ready. Give your feedback in a comment section, and thank you for the watching. Keep crafting, keep supporting.